This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Chock the rear wheels. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Unscrew the wire retaining nuts, then disconnect the starter motor electrical connections from the solenoid. Place identification marks on the terminals to make sure the wiring is correctly reinstalled, if necessary. Remove the starter motor mounting bolts, then remove the starter from the engine. Install the starter motor to the engine. Screw in the mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Connect the electrical connections to the starter solenoid, then screw on the nuts and tighten them securely. Lower the car to the ground . Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.